Hello everyone, welcome to the A2 Plus English Language School free online course. Today we'll discuss about articles. You're invited to join me. If you have any question or comment, please leave at the end of the lecture. እንዴት ናችሁ ክቡራን ተመልካቾች? እንኳን ወደ A2 Plus እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት በደህና መጣችሁ። ዛሬ ስለ መጣጥፎች የሚለው ወይ አርቲክል የሚለው ርዕስ እንወያያለን። ከኔ ጋር አብራችሁ እንድትቆዩ በክብር ጋብዛችኋለሁ። Articles are words that define noun as specific or unspecific. The words a, an, and there are called articles. Articles are used only when you talk about specific things. We don't use them when you're talking in general. There are two types of articles. Indefinite article, a and an, definite article, the. ለዚህ አርቲክል ወይ መጣጥፎች የምንላቸው ቃላቶች ናውን ውስጥ የተወሰነ ወይ አልተወሰነ ብለው የሚነግሩን ናቸው ማለት ነው። a and the የሚሎች አርቲክልስ ወይ ደግሞ መጣጥፎች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት አንድ ወይ ያ ወይ ያቺ የሚለው ነገሮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ለዚህ የተወሰነ ነገር ስንናገር ብቻ ናቸው አርቲክል የምንጠቀምባቸው። አርቲክል ደግሞ ሁለት አይነት ናቸው። ኢንዴፊኒት ያልተወሰኑ ኤ ኤንድ አን እንላቸዋለን። ዴፊኒት ደግሞ የተወሰኑት ዘ እንላለን ማለት ነው። So indefinite articles a and an are indefinite articles. Their generally meaning is one ወይ ደግሞ አንድ ማለት ነው። So we use articles before for the following reason. One, we use article with singular countable nouns only. ከሚቆጠር ሆነው አንድ ብቻ ሲሆን ነው አርቲክል የምንጠቀም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሲንጉላር ካውንተብል ናውን ኦንሊ ከማይቆጠር ጋር ኢንዴፊኒት አርቲክል አንጠቀም ከትርጉማቸው አንድ ስለሆነ ኦኬ ስለዚህ ማይቆጠር ደግሞ አንድ ቦታ እንላቸው ማለት ነው። second one is listen when the listener is not aware about the object of sentence ስለዚህ ያ የሚሰማው ያለ አካል ስለምናገር ያለ ነው ማያ ከሆነ አንድ ከሆነ የሚቆጠር ከሆነ አርቲክል እንጠቀማለን። to introduce objects ነገሮች ለማስተዋወቅ before the name of profession he is a doctor he is an engineer she is a nurse ለማለት ስለ አይነት ስራ ፕሮፌሽን ለምናገር ደግሞ እንጠቀማለን። I am a doctor. So after such የሚለው ቃል ደግሞ እንጠቀማለን። such a beautiful girl, such a great teacher, such an amazing story. So a and an ደግሞ ከsuch የሚለው ቃል እንጠቀማለን። ስለዚህ a and an ደግሞ ለየት ያሉ ማለት ነው። a is used with consonant initial በኮንሶናንት የሚጀምሩ ቃላቶች a እንስጣቸዋለን ማለት ነው። የሚቆጠረው ሆነው አንድ ሲሆን ስለዚህ a dog, a fox, a boy, a man, a pair of trousers. ስለዚህ John is reading a book. John አንድ መጽሐፍ እያነበበ ነው። a book. It is a dog. Is it a dog or a fox? ውሻ ነው ወይስ ተኩላ? አንድ ውሻ ነው። You will need a ruler and a pencil. አንድ እርሳስና አንድ ማስመሪያ ያስፈልጋል እያለ ነው። ስለዚህ አንድ ከኮንሶናንት ጋር የሚጀምሩ a እንጠቀማለን። and is used with the vowel initials. Okay a e i o u ከa e i o u የሚጀምሩት ቃላት በፊት ደግሞ አንድ እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an island. Okay ስለዚህ there is an entrance at the back of the building. Okay በግቢው or ግንባታው ጀርባ መግቢያ አለ an entrance. Have you ever seen an elephant? ዝሆን አይተጣቃለሁ። Have you ever seen an elephant? I always take an apple to school. ሁሌ ወደ ትምህርት ቤት ፓም ይዤ እሄዳለሁ። ፓም ይዤ አለ an apple. Do you have an umbrella? ጃንጥላ ይኖራል ልበድር ፈልጌ ነበር ማለት ነው። ለዚህ an umbrella. Would you like to live on island? አንድ ሴት ውስጥ መኖር ትፈልጋለህ ወይ? an island. These are a and an. A with consonant, an with vowel. Okay. Exceptions. An is used with vowel sound of silent H. There are words that start with a consonant which is H, but H is silenced, so we give them an because they have vowel sound. For example, an hour. Hour anilum. An hour. Okay. An honor. Honor anilum. An honor. H አይነበብም. An honest. H አይነበብም. honest anilum. An air. Hair anilum. Air. Okay. We have been waiting here for an hour. ለአንድ ሰዓት የሚያክል ልንጠብቅ ቆይተናል። an hour. Okay. The meeting the president was an honor for all of us. ፕሬዚደንቱን ማግኘት ለኛ ትልቅ ክብር ነበር ማለት ታላቅ ክብር ነበር። an honor. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሳይለንት h ሲሆን even h is consonant an እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። The second exception is we use a with a consonant sound of u which is like sound like y as in you. Okay. So u የሚለው ሌተር አራት ድምጽ አለው a u u u. Okay. ሶስቱም a u a u u የሚሉ ሶስቱም ቫወል ናቸው። ዩ ግን ኮንሶናንት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ አን አምብሬላ ብለናል። እዚህ ግን a university, a uniform, a union, a unit, a unicorn እንላለን ማለት ነው። እዚህም a European Union, a euro, a European country እንላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በእነዚህ EU የሚጀምሩት e ሳይለንት ነው አይደመጥም። ዩ ደግሞ እንደ ዋይ ድምጽ ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ a European Union በአማርኛ ኤሮፓ እንላለን። ኦኬ የኤሮፓ ካንትሪ ኦር የኤሮፓ ሀገር የዩሮፒያን ዩኒየን እንላለን። ኤ የሚለው ድምጽ ነው ግን ኢዩ ሲሆን አይደመጥም። ኢ እና ዩ ደግሞ ኮንሶናንት ነው። ስለዚህ a European country, a euro, a union እንላለን። Either a university in your town ከተማችሁ ላይ ዩኒቨርሲቲ አለ ወይ? Does every child in the school wear uniform? ትምህርት ቤት የሚሄድ ተማሪ ሁሉም ልብስ የትምህርት ልብስ ይለብሳል ወይ? We are taking a European vacation this summer. በዚህ ክረምት ወደ ኤሮፓ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ጀርመኒ is a European country. ጀርመን ኤሮፓ ውስጥ የምትገኝ አገር ነች እያልን ነው ማለት ነው። ለዚህ እነዚህ second exception. The second type of is definite article the. ይሄ ምን ደግሞ ያ ወያቺ የሚለው ማለት ነው። They are used what? With uncountable and countable noun both, okay? Indefinite article, their meaning is when they are used with what? Countable singular noun. But indefinite article can be used with countable and uncountable, okay? When talking about known things and things that are introduced before. Indefinite article we use things to introduce things or things that the listener doesn't know. But definite article we use with things that are known. የታወቁ ነገሮች ደግሞ አስቀድመው የታወቁ ነገሮች እንጠቀምባቸዋለን ማለት ነው። The earth revolves around the sun. Dad is sitting in the garden. Who made this mess on the carpet? I'll wait for you in the car. The boys are upstairs. The girls are outside. The water is clean. Okay. The cake is tasty. So nazi demo. By the way, we don't use indefinite article a and an before uncountable noun. Cake, bread, something like that. Okay. Phonetics of the. The has two sound. The and the. Okay. First one, the is used before consonants or words that take what? Articles. ከኮንሶናንት የሚጀምሩ ቃላቶች በፊት ወይ ደግሞ በኤክሰፕሽኑ ኤ የሚወስዱት ቃላቶች ተጠቅመን the እንጠቀሙ። ከነሱ በፊት the እንጠቀማለን። ኤግዛምፕል the sun, the moon, the university, the European Union. Okay? So the ከኮንሶናንት እና words with articles that take a እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። The ደግሞ before words that start with vowel or words that take article an. The earth, the elephant, the honor, the honest woman, okay? The earth revolves around the sun. The air of the house is coming, okay? So the air of the house. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ብለን ደግሞ ሁለተኛ ድምጽ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። The third one is no article. We do not use article when we talk what? In about general. I can ride horse. I can ride a bicycle. Which bicycle, which horse? In general. He loves eating cake. Which cake? In general cake. My sister doesn't eat chicken. Which chicken? In general chicken, okay? So when talking in general, we don't use an article. The second one is before names of countries. Unless the country is made up of smaller units or constitutional parts, okay? I'm from Ethiopia. She's from America. She's going to America. We don't say the Ethiopia or the America, all right? So we're not talking about name of countries. We don't use article. But if the country is made of parts we can use. Example, the UK, the United Kingdom is made of parts, okay? The United States of America. The USA is not made up of several states, so we use the USA. The third one is when we talk about sports and games, we don't use article. I like football. I don't like basketball, right? So we don't use the basketball or the football. We don't use article before names of language. I can speak Dutch. I can speak English. We don't say the Dutch is the English, okay? Before names of meals, if they refer to meals generally. I'm going to eat lunch. We are eating dinner. So we are not going to say the lunch or the dinner. Before parts of our body, my arm, my leg, okay? I hurt my arm. I don't say my hurt the arm. All right? So this is all about definite and indefinite article as well as no article. And there is some exercise about it. Fill in the blank space using a, an, and the, and no article, which is X. So pause the video and try this 15 question by yourself. If you have any question, you can leave it at the comment space. Pause the video now. Here is the answer for the exercise. I believe you have done or you have made it correct. If not, practice again and again. That's all about articles, which is indefinite article a and an, definite article the and no article. If you have any question or comment, leave as a space. Thank you.